Late November and the skies were changing. Time was ticking, everything was rearranging. And I knew I would come around eventually, but it wasn't coming fast enough for me. I wanna open up the ground, I wanna feel, I wanna open up, take my car out and fix the wheel. Open up, open up, open up, open up, speak up. Open up. It's been years, oh years ago, but the tears, they still flow. I've been beat, and with no success, can't get over. I obsess, and I will let the tears run down my cheek, 'cause I know this will cause a resurrection in me.